Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we discussed and we learned how we separate our locator from the function. Okay, and we are putting the locators in the same class in the pages classes. Like here we have login page, so we are putting first element locators and then creating the corresponding function. Similar way we did in each classes. So as we discussed, this is the one way we can put the element locator in same class where function is available. Other way we can also put the our element locators we can separate from the pages file, right? So let's see how we separate if we need separate our locator from the pages file, how we do that. So most of the companies are preferring to use this approach, separating the locator from the pages files. Okay. So let's see. So first of all, I'm going to create a package. So package name I am giving pages dot locator. Pages underscore locators. Okay. So this is the page locators. Let me refactor. So ORS. So this is the section where we are putting the element locators in this class, right? So right click, create a file. So how we create a file? So suppose that we have a login underscore page.py file. So similar type we can create login. We can put like this login locators py. Okay. So here first we need to create a class login locator. So in this class, we will put only the element locators of the login page. So we have login page.py. Here we have, I am going to create login locator one file. So we need to make sure our file name is logical. Like we have login, so here here login page, so here login locators, so that our file is logically mapped with each other. Okay, so here I am putting the locators only in these files. So if I want to use this locator, how we these locators, how we do that? So first of all, go to your pages file, import the class. So page locators dot file name is login locator, then import the class. Then next we need to create an object of class like this. So let me put this in a small letter. Okay, so object is created of the login page. Now we need to replace self, right, with the self login input, because now we need to call by using the login locators object to the variables. So this variable, so we can replace this. Why we are replacing? Because these locators are defined under a login page. So if we want to get the locator from the login page, then we need to object of the class, okay, and then use variable name. So this variable is defined. If I inspect this, you can see here is defined. All these variable we can call, we can use in our class pages class file by using the object of this class. Similar type we have user page. So what we will do, we will create here user locator, user locators file. Okay, our locators, let me give. So our file name should be logical, so it will help us to trace the locators from the corresponding files. So this is class user management locator. Okay, saved here all the locators. Now we can create object. So let's see, self dot variable name equal to class name. So let me change this with a small letter. Okay, class variable is created. Now again here we need to let's import first the class from pages locator dot user locator user management. So we can replace. Okay, so all locators I'm now calling from the pages file. Similar type here we have dashboard dot dashboard page. So we need to create here dashboard underscore locator file. Okay, and move the locators from this file and saved here class dashboard locator. So this is class name and the put corresponding locators here. Import it, need to create object. So this is mapped with the locator pages file. So here I need to create an object self dot object name and then class name. Object name we can start with the underscore. So better we can use the naming convention. So dashboard underscore locator and this class we need to import. Okay, this is the dashboard. Okay, now we need to replace the self dot locator with the self dashboard. All the locator replaced. Okay, so in this using this approach, we can separate our element locators from the pages files from the functions and put in separate files. So in future, if we need to add some more function, so suppose that we have need some additional function for the login, so we will create that function under here, and if that is available, suppose that locator we will put in the files. So this will be very helpful in the readable format. So if anyone new members came in the project, so if he don't know much about the functionality, means how much function is created, where function is created, so he will not go and check the locators in other files. He will check locators and function is available in the corresponding files or not. If not available, then he will create new. If available, he will use exist. And a similar way, if we are working in multiple members in the same project, right? This will be very helpful to check to look the locators function that is created available or not. And if not available, he will create new function, put new locators, and if that is available, use the existing method and locators. Okay, so in the next tutorial, we will learn more how we create the custom methods, reusable components of the existing Selenium WebDriver methods. Like suppose that we are directly calling here self.driver.find element. We will create some custom methods by using Selenium WebDriver, which we will use and instead of direct calling the self driver.find element methods, right? Or maybe element dot text method, or maybe we have some get the multiple values from the locators, right? To click, to send keys, all those methods we will create a custom methods in a separate file. There we will use in our pages files. In future, any method is duplicated or removed from Selenium WebDriver, we don't need to go update throughout our test script. We will update only one place. Okay, so let's meet in the next tutorial. Okay, and we will discuss more about the framework standards. So if you like the tutorial, click on the like button, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you can get latest videos notification, and also share this tutorial to your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching the video.